Mars, the red planet. To the ancient Romans, the planet was symbolic of blood and war. But to many people today, the planet may hold the key to a bright new future for humanity. The story of Mars began about 4.5 billion years ago when the gas and dust swirled together to form the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system, with diameter approximately the width of Africa. Its entire surface area is equal to entire Earth's continent combined. Much like its terrestrial cousin, Mars is dense and has a rocky composition. It has a crust which is rich in iron, and these iron minerals react with oxygen in its atmosphere and rust, giving the planet its signature reddish hue. While its blood like appearance inspired the ancient Romans to name the planet after their god of war, today Mars is a dry, cold desert, with temperatures rising as high as 20 degrees Celsius and dropping as low as minus 142 degrees Celsius. And because the atmosphere is so thin, heat and sun escapes easily on this planet. If you were to stand on the surface of Mars at equator around noon, it would feel like it is spring on your feet and winter on your head. A day on Mars is a little longer than Earth, 37 minutes to be precise. A year is 687 Earth days long. Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos, named after the mythical horses that pulled the chariot of Mars as per the Roman myths. They are really tiny. How tiny? Compared to our moon, pretty tiny. Even their gravitational pull is not strong enough to bring them into a spherical form. So, they pretty much look like a potato. Coming back to Mars. Billions of years ago, the planet was much warmer and more geologically active and had a watery surface. Today, lake beds and river valley snake along the surface of Mars, indicating that liquid water was for a time period present on Mars. Volcanoes such as Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, which is at least 3 times the height of Mount Everest, once erupted lava. But about 50 million years ago, soon after the dinosaurs died on Earth, Mars volcanoes also went extinct. Water on the red planet still exists today, but mostly in the form of polar ice caps. Because of factors such as the presence of water, some scientists believe life may have existed on the planet and may exist again. Since the 1960s, space programs from around the world have launched many missions to Mars in an attempt to understand the planet's past, present, and potential for sustaining life. Mars is one of the most explored bodies in the solar system, and it is the only planet where we have sent rovers to roam on the alien landscape. NASA currently has 3 spacecrafts in orbit, one Curiosity rover and one lander on the surface of Mars, and another rover under construction here on Earth. India's very own Mangalyaan is also orbiting Mars since 24th September 2014. It was launched by ISRO on 5th of November 2013. Mangalyaan made India the first country to launch successful mission to Mars in Asia and the fourth country worldwide. Also, the first Mars mission in the world to succeed in Mars orbit insertion in the first attempt. It was the cheapest Mars mission. It was made on 1/10 of the cost of NASA's Maven. It was initially planned to orbit only for 6 months, But it's been 5 years and Mangalyaan is still in good health and continues to work. Mars Color camera on board has snapped 1000 pictures and has also prepared a Mars Atlas. It is the first probe to click the full disk of Mars in one view frame and also to take a peek into the dark side of Deimos. The European Space Agency's Mars Express is also amongst the 6 aircrafts that are currently orbiting Mars. And that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope it was a fun session and that you have learned something about Mars today. Alright, bye bye, take care.